Today we'll show you how to install a REESE custom trailer hitch, part number 84382. This hitch application fits the following model years of the Jeep Wrangler. For our purposes here today, we have a 2021 model. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all parts included in the instructions. For this installation, you'll use the following tools. We also recommend wearing safety equipment. For this installation, we jump right in and raise the hitch onto the vehicle's crossmember. Do this at an angle, approximately 15 to 45 degrees, and align the leftmost hole in the hitch with the existing hole in the crossmember. Loosely install an M12 bolt, half-inch flat washer, a half-inch conical washer, and an M12 hex nut to hold the hitch in place. Then insert M12 bolts and flat washers into the other 3 holes and secure each with a half-inch conical washer and hex nut. Using a crowfoot wrench or an open-end wrench is helpful for this step. After all the hardware has been secured, use a crowfoot wrench on a torque wrench to tighten the nut to 68 foot-pounds. If installing on an eco-diesel model, you may need to gently pull downward on the diesel canister for extra clearance. This concludes the installation of a REESE custom trailer hitch on this 2021 Jeep Wrangler, part number 84382. For more information on this and other great REESE products, visit reeseproducts.com.